eventually it's gonna turn off, and I'm gonna have to turn it back on. But
You said you were trying to. It's on right now?
it's on right now, but that's okay because I can just edit this part out.
Okay.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and we have a special guest today. Yay! This is my fiance Bryant. Isn't he cute? We're going to be doing a couples tag today, so we're going to answer some questions, and hopefully this is entertaining to you. So let's jump right in. So first question, it says, where and when did we first meet? Do you want me to go?
Oh, for that, you asking me?
You can answer the first question. Where and when did we first meet?
At the rec center. What's it called?
Zelma George.
Zelma George rec.
When? Like
When?
in
Like,
2007.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
In
spring of
07.
2007. So,
Correct.
where was our first date?
We went to the movies.
We did.
And
to
Becker Square.
yes, we did. And he had a Caesar salad, and I had macaroni and cheese. What was your first impression of me? We can answer this separately. So, do you want to go first, or?
You can go first.
Okay, my first impression of you was you were very quiet, and very gentlemanly, very polite. Asked if you could put your arm around me in a movie, and I just thought that was so cute. So that was my first impression of you.
Oh well, she was really cute and sweet and really nice. Yeah.
And I'm
Very,
still
very
really
nice.
nice and cute and
Yeah.
sweet. When did you meet my family?
Oh boy.
I don't.
Well, you met mine before
Yeah.
I met yours, right?
Yeah, I remember meeting your mom. We were sitting out on the little porch stoop thing, and she came outside asking you a question about Emmy or Doris or something. And
My sister.
yes, his sisters. And she was like, hi, and all that. So, and I don't quite remember when you just like randomly met my mom, like
Yeah, I don't
here and
remember.
there, and my dad here and there. So
Yeah.
I don't remember the first time he met my mom or dad. Oh well. Who said I love you first?
You did. Right?
The lie.
I was first? Oh, I don't know.
Yes.
Was I?
Yes, you said I love you first. It was, I remember it was a Valentine's Day. I can't remember which Valentine's Day. It was when you was on the crutches, when you messed your foot up. You had the cast on.
Were we on the phone?
No, we were in person. Remember, I had gone and get pizza and stuff like that, and we were going to have pizza and watch a movie, and you know, you were all toe up on the crutches. So I was in the kitchen. We were at your mom's house. I was in the kitchen, you know, getting your plate together for the pizza and stuff, and you,
Okay.
you know, came crutching in there and everything, and you kind of leaned over me, and in my ear you were like, I love you.
He was taking care of me.
I was taking care of
I
you.
appreciate it.
What dressing do I always wear? What dressing do I always wear? But what do I usually always wear? And you hate it.
With your bonnet?
Yeah. And you usually always wear basketball shorts. Weird habit of each other.
Of each other. So am I supposed to give one that you have? Or you have to give
I really don't have one for
a
you.
bad habit of me of mine?
I think that's a question too. A bad habit? I don't
Of
know.
each other. Weird habit, not bad.
Yeah. But I think bad habit is a question too. But
Weird habit,
I don't
I
have
don't
one
know.
for
You
you.
do this thing like when you shaking your legs.
Oh, that's just, but I've always done that.
That is a habit.
Okay.
And no, it's weird. A little weird to me.
I
But-
can't think of one for you. I can't. I'm sorry. I can't think of one for you. So, what I often do in my free time. So what do you always do in your free time?
Do
You
I
play
do-
the video game.
And she watches other people make these videos.
I watch YouTube all the time.
Yes, YouTube. and old movies
And
that she's seen a billion times.
how long have we been together?
Well, you already answered that. Because you gave when we first met.
Okay. What was our first? Oh, well, no. I'm gonna just say what was our first trip together because it says road trips, but we don't take road trips. Yes,
Well,
trip.
it have to be Florida.
Yep.
In Orlando.
Yep, Orlando, Florida. The first thing you noticed about me.
That you were short.
Oh.
Really short. Because I was in the gym with a bunch of tall people. Really short, walking around the track. That was the first thing I noticed. Short and cute.
Oh, the first thing I noticed about you were your shoes, because I liked your shoes. Right. I liked your tennis shoes. And I can't even remember what kind of shoes they were. They were white.
Huaraches.
They were white.
White and blue.
They were cute. I wanted them for myself.
What?
It says, what pisses you off? I mean...
I'd rather get pissed.
Yeah.
Is it supposed to be like about you?
I guess.
Nothing pisses me off, but I get
so.
irritated when you always ask me where I'm going. Even when I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going out of the room. Where you going?
But you're still going somewhere. And I just want to know where, because sometimes I want to know where you're going, because if you're going past something I need, then I might want you to bring it back.
Just ask me to get it. That's it. So that's it.
He plays a video game all the time. All the time.
And taking too long.
And taking too long. It took him long to get ready for this. I was ready first. I'm always ready first. And I put on makeup and stuff. And have to do my hair. And I'm still always ready first. I can't stand it.
What's the next
What is my favorite restaurant? I think I know yours. I think I know yours.
I don't even know. You have a favorite restaurant?
I just like to eat. I don't.
Places where I would say like a type of restaurant would probably be like a roadhouse or
Steak.
Steak. You need steak place.
Steak. So any steak place. Okay, that's right. And for you, I would say the Cheesecake Factory.
Probably, yeah. Probably. I would say that's my favorite. Because I like cheesecake. And I like the chicken and biscuits.
Favorite feature about each other?
Her freckles. I feel like that's easily. Freckles.
Oh. My favorite feature about him are his eyes, because they're just so pretty and brown. They're light brown and they're beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the 1, 2, 3 tag questions, because I think those will be kind of funny. If your fiance could be married to a movie star, who would it be? So we're gonna start with you first. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, and we'll both say a celebrity or a movie star, and see if it's right for you.
So I have to say who I would marry.
Yes.
And you're gonna say who you think I would marry.
Yes, a movie star. Or do you just want to do a celebrity?
Could be a movie star, yeah.
Okay.
Or I don't know. Okay.
We'll just say celebrity. If your fiance could marry a celebrity, who would it be? You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Jill
Scarlett
Scott.
Johansson.
Jill Scott.
Jill Scott!
Yes!
Oh, man. Yeah. Okay, my turn.
Jill
Ready?
Scott.
Hold on. Okay, I got it. You ready?
Celebrity, right?
Celebrity. Okay, you ready? Or you need some time? I'll give you a minute.
You? To marry?
To marry. You should know.
I don't know. Well, we can go. Come on.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Trey
Songz.
Songz.
I still love him. Like, oh. Oh, the next question was a celebrity. So should we do movie star? Since we didn't pick a movie star.
We can do movie star.
Okay, so if you could marry a movie star, who would it be?
It's for me, right?
Yes, for
Mine's
you.
on me.
Yes.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Scarlett
Gal Gadot. Damn Wonder Woman. Okay.
No, she's.
Okay, so the
That's
next.
Scarlett for me. Can't take her spot.
I should
Can't
get.
take her spot that fast.
She looks better than Scarlett Johansson
So what?
anyways, but okay, whatever. You've gone to the 7-Eleven to get milk, and you decide to buy your fiance a treat. What would you buy? We're gonna start with you, and I know already.
Oh, okay.
Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Zebra cakes. Nasty.
I love them.
They taste like sweet.
Even though I
Paste.
I eat too much cake.
Yes,
I
we
gotta
both
slow
eat
down.
too much cake, so
Yeah.
no more cake for either one of us.
2018.
For the whole 2018? You know,
Stop eating cake.
special occasions. Like
All right.
birthdays,
You know.
holidays.
Okay.
I got nervous because I really love cake. Let me see. Oh, I know. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oatmeal cream
Sour
pie.
Patch Kids. The extreme Sour Patch Kids.
Okay. I'm thinking, okay,
It's all-
I'll give you that one because
that's
I was thinking of
candy.
like
You think
snack
it's sweet
cake.
stuff.
Yeah.
It's a treat though.
It is a treat. But
That's what I would buy.
Okay, and I would be happy with that because I do like the extreme ones, not the regular ones, the extreme sour ones.
Oreos.
Oh yeah, Oreos I like.
Those cream pies would be like.
But I
fifth on the list.
really,
Yeah.
I like those a lot though.
But
I mean,
don't
I
see
don't
you eat them a lot.
because usually when I go to the store, I try not to get stuff like that, or I've been trying to not get stuff like that.
Okay.
But okay,
But Sour Patch Kids.
yeah, I'll take that. What percentage of housework does your fiance say that you do?
So what percent do you say I do?
Yes.
Small percentage, but we can come on. Let's do it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Like
30%.
30? That's a lot.
You do
We don't have a lot of
stuff to do. So, but you do something.
All right.
Okay. For now,
You meet in the middle of like 20 or something.
okay, 25%.
So that leaves you to 70, between 70 and 80, right?
I do most of
Most
it.
stuff, you got most of it.
Okay, I don't quite understand this. What it says, if
What's
your boyfriend or girlfriend could choose one thing for you to get rid of, what would it be?
Okay.
Like just something in general?
I guess.
Oh, I already know what you would pick. I got it.
No, we want to get rid of. One thing for you to get rid of?
Yeah. Cause there's nothing that you have that I'm just like, I hate it, throw it away. Like,
Yeah, nothing. We can skip that.
okay. We can skip this next one. It says, what is your boyfriend or girlfriend's most used cuss word?
Probably like, for me, it would be like shit or damn or something.
Yeah.
Like when I'm playing the game.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Watching the game.
Or watching the game.
But other than that, we don't really.
Yeah, we don't really cuss too much anyway, so.
Not to each other.
Yeah, not to each other.
Yeah.
What is your boyfriend or girlfriend's ultimate favorite movie?
Oh, well, we both know that. You should know mine, even though I haven't watched it in a very long time because I lost it. But it's mine. I know yours.
I think,
Clearly know
okay,
yours.
we could try you. I think I might know what it is. I think. Okay.
You might
1,
know.
2, 3. Half
Oh.
baked. I don't know.
No.
What is it?
Above the Rim. That's my favorite movie. ever.
I've never, ever
seen me watch
seen
it.
you watch that movie.
I know.
Ever.
Because I lost it. And it never comes on TV.
What? I've been got you that movie a long time
I
ago.
watch it on my phone sometimes. But Charlie tripping.
What?
So
Ghost.
they can see that door, right?
Yeah.
They probably Charlie trying to get to the door.
Ghost. Okay, my turn. 1, 2, 3.
Jackie Brown.
I want to watch that
I
today.
used to like that movie.
It's a good movie.
But I don't like it anymore because of you. You made me not like it.
I don't even watch it that much. Really.
Recently.
I never watch it that much anyways. What is your boyfriend or girlfriend's most repeated sentence or phrase?
Where you going?
I don't have one for you. I don't have one for you. this. A meteor just hit. You saved everything important. What would you go back for? I mean, what would you go back to go get if you haven't saved everything important?
So we got to. Our answers, both of our answers would probably be the same.
But
yeah.
that's important. Hell, we got Charlie. But
it's not important. Why would I go back and try
maybe
to save
it's
it?
important to you, but not important to me. I don't know. I feel
Charger.
like that would be your charger.
Yes.
Your phone.
Phone charger. Yes.
But wouldn't that? Okay, I don't know.
That wouldn't be the first thing you grab. It wouldn't be the first thing.
What's the first thing you grab it?
I don't know, but like that wouldn't be on the immediate list of important things to grab when the meteor hits.
Oh my god! I think if a meteor hits, nobody would care about their cell phone.
Yes. How you gonna contact each other and see where?
What
everybody
if all the cell towers are just gone, and how we gonna talk to people?
I don't know. Anything you forget, you ain't gonna go back. You just gonna send me to get it. So I'll be grabbing two things.
Okay. If I have all my important stuff.
Makeup.
What am I gonna need the makeup for?
I don't know.
Like, where am I going with the makeup?
I don't know. Some lipstick or gloss or something.
What? The saying opposites attract is true because me and my boyfriend and girlfriend are opposite at what?
Dancing.
Yes.
Not ability, just willingness to dance.
I love to dance.
And just excitement and enthusiasm for dancing. I don't like dancing. She loves dancing.
Why would you like
I don't know. It's just I have to actually feel like dancing.
So
Like I gotta just the moment and the music and everything gotta be right. For me, it's just something gotta go through me to make me want to dance.
Well, are you gonna dance at our wedding?
Of course.
You gonna line dance? You want me to teach you some line dances?
You can teach me a couple more.
Okay.
I know a few now. So.
You know a few now.
Yeah, I know a few.
From where? And when?
I know a few line dances.
Okay. Well, that's the end of these questions, y'all. I think we've answered enough questions for today. But anyhow, I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. Of course, like and subscribe. Show support to your girl because you know I appreciate it. And if you want to see more videos with this handsome man here, just let me know in the comments. And as always, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!